Let's talk about hydrogen, the very first element of the periodic table and the element that started everything. Right after the Big Bang, when the universe was extremely hot and dense, the very first atoms formed, and they were hydrogen. In fact, hydrogen is so important that if hydrogen never formed, the universe as we know it wouldn't exist. No stars, no planets, no life. Just nothing. Even today, about 75% of all normal matter in the universe is hydrogen. It's the main fuel that powers stars like our sun. In stars, hydrogen atoms smash together under extreme heat and pressure, forming helium and releasing enormous amounts of energy. That's what makes stars shine. On Earth, hydrogen is everywhere too. It's in water. Every single molecule of water is H2O, two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. It's in the air, plants, animals, fuels, even in your own body. In fact, hydrogen makes up about 10% of your body weight. Hydrogen was officially discovered in 1766 by Henry Cavendish, who noticed that when certain metals reacted with acids, a mysterious gas was produced. This gas was lighter than air, and it burned with a nearly invisible flame. Later, the gas was named hydrogen, which comes from the Greek words hydro, meaning water, and genes, meaning creator, because burning hydrogen produces water. Hydrogen's atomic number is 1, meaning it is just one proton and one electron, making it the simplest and lightest atom in the universe. It's so light that if you filled a balloon with hydrogen, it would float even better than helium. That's why the first airships, like the famous Hindenburg, were filled with hydrogen. Unfortunately, hydrogen is also highly flammable, and this led to the Hindenburg disaster in 1937, when a hydrogen-filled airship exploded in flames. But hydrogen isn't just ancient history. It's also the fuel of the future. Today, scientists are working on hydrogen fuel cells, which turn hydrogen gas into electricity. These fuel cells can power cars, buses, even spacecraft, producing only water vapor as waste. No pollution at all. Hydrogen is also used to make ammonia fertilizers, refine metals, and even in the production of rocket fuel. In fact, the Saturn V rocket that carried astronauts to the moon used liquid hydrogen as part of its fuel system. Hydrogen can exist in 3 forms, called isotopes: protium, deuterium, and tritium. Protium is just one proton and one electron. Deuterium has an extra neutron, and it's used in nuclear reactors. Tritium has 2 neutrons and is radioactive. In space, giant clouds of hydrogen gas are the birthplaces of new stars. Even your DNA contains hydrogen atoms, connecting you directly to the very birth of the universe. From powering the stars to filling our water bottles, from ancient airships to future spaceships, hydrogen is small, but its story is huge. It's the element that started everything, and it might just help power our future too. That's hydrogen, element number 1. Next up, helium, the party balloon element with some mind-blowing science behind it.